In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automated price alerts on the Binance app. Navigating app settings to manage notifications can sometimes feel like a maze, but with the right guidance, it's surprisingly straightforward. Let's walk through this process together. First, you'll need to open your Binance app. Once you've launched the app, ensure you're logged into your account. This crucial step ensures that you have access to all your personalized settings and notifications. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to do so by inserting your credentials securely. Now that you're on the main screen, direct your attention to the top right corner. There, you should notice a messages icon, usually represented by a small envelope. This icon is your gateway to all communications and alerts that Binance sends to you. Tap on this icon to proceed. Once inside the Messages section, scroll through until you find the specific price alert you want to disable. These alerts are typically sorted in chronological order, making them relatively easy to locate. Tap on the alert that no longer serves your needs or perhaps has outlived its usefulness. Tapping on the alert will bring you to the Price Alert page. This is your control center for managing the specific notifications tied to that alert. On this page, you'll see a Settings button. Go ahead and tap on it to open up more options. In the Settings menu, focus on the option labeled Mute Notifications. This slider might be on by default to keep you updated with every change, but in this case, we want to turn it off. By toggling the Mute Notifications button, you effectively silence the alert, ensuring you won't receive any more notifications related to it. It's a helpful feature for when you want to streamline your notifications and concentrate on what truly matters. It's important to note that muting the alert doesn't delete it. You're simply pausing notifications from being sent until you choose to reactivate them. If in the future you decide you'd like to receive updates from this alert again, you can return to this exact spot and toggle the setting back on. And that's it. Simple, right? Remember, you have full control over your notifications. By managing them efficiently, you can maintain focus on your investment priorities without getting overwhelmed by unnecessary alerts. Thanks for watching this guide on managing your Binance notifications. I hope you found it helpful and empowering. Stay tuned for more tips on making the most out of your applications.